Well, good morning, boys and girls. It stopped snowing. Today it's 10 degrees. 10 degrees. Overnight it was 7 degrees Fahrenheit. That's something we just are not used to. And so it's actually colder today than it was yesterday in the middle of a blizzard, believe it or not. And of course, the humidity has gone up a little bit. So um, I think it's too humid for more snow, although who knows, we may get more snow. Just to kind of let y'all see, I mean, we still got lots of snow everywhere. It's not melting very fast. I think it's too cold to melt, but we'll see what happens. Bye.